Hi! Today I'm getting ready for a makeup job. I want to show you how I get my kit organized. This weekend I'm doing a mother and a sister of a bride for a wedding. I've already had a chat with them about what sort of looks they want to achieve and what they're wearing, just so we can think about some colorways and stuff like that. That will help me organize my kit and make sure that I've got the right products kind of up front so I can make things run really smoothly on the day. But first, before I start kind of going through my kit, I have to do my most dreaded job as a makeup artist, and that is to clean my brushes, which I like to do it really thoroughly, and that's why it kind of like fills me with dread, because it takes me a long time and I have hundreds of brushes that I've got to clean. So normally once I've used a brush on a client or on myself when I'm shooting videos, I just put them in a pencil case like this, and then once I've got enough built up here and not enough of a stash left in my like clean brushes stash, I grab this pencil case and I wash them all. The next thing I need for my brush cleaning is a tray. So this is my Kupras tray, shout out to the motherland, and a clean tea towel. So I just lay the tea towel over like this. All of my motherlands, this is like a Australia tea towel as well. So yeah, that's kind of the setup. Once the brushes are clean, I just lay them flat on this tray, and then I can move this tray over to a sunny window. These are essential to protecting your nails and your hands, because the soap I use is pretty hardcore. Soap I use is a classic. It's called Sard Wonder Soap. It's almost like a laundry soap, but it gets everything out. It gets really hard sort of makeup stains and things out. So if you ever get makeup on your clothes, give this a go. But it's really good for the brushes. It really sort of like dissolves the makeup straight away. And normally I just keep it in a little soap dish like this. Shout out to my Sard gang, all my makeup artist friends. Our group chat is called Sard gang because we rely on that stuff so much. I've got two sinks, so I tip my brushes in, the dirty brushes, into one sink, and then I rinse them off in the other sink. I usually use warm water as well. The gloves have this rough texture on the palm, and so I find it really good to like get into the bristles with that. I have a little setup at the kitchen sink. I usually watch a K-drama just to keep me company while I'm cleaning the brushes. The K-drama I'm watching at the moment is called Lovely Runner. Let me know if you're watching it too. It's only 4 episodes in at the moment, but it's so cute. I haven't seen like a really good rom-com in ages, so I'm really excited about it. Okay, so next I'm gonna organize my kit. My brushes are drying. As I said, I've consulted with my client already, so I sort of know what they're after. They want soft glam, which is sort of like the typical look that people, especially here in Australia, go for a wedding makeup. I'm gonna use a couple of things just to sort my kit out, because it has been a little while since I organized things. And this is my onset bag. Usually I just put all my essential items in the onset bag. Where do I start? So many eyelashes. The other good thing about rummaging through your kit is like you find all this stuff that you forgot that you had. So like these, I'm gonna do a look with these. These are really cool. Things that are kind of important to keep in my onset bag just so they're easily accessible. I like these just individual disposable eye drops, because sometimes like if clients have watering eyes and stuff, this can come in really handy. Other thing I keep, don't know if I've got it here, is just chewing gum. Sometimes clients want some gum if you're like getting right up in their face. They can get kind of self-conscious, so people often ask me for gum. Okay, I'm going to start by just like emptying and repacking my onset bag, because I want to make sure that this has like all of my essentials for tomorrow in it, including like the sorts of foundation shades that I want to kind of use for these clients, and the eyeshadow colors as well as the lip colors. So I'm going to take out anything that I don't need to be in here and just include things that I will definitely want to use tomorrow. So yeah, I've got my icicle, and I've also got just some paper towels so I can tidy up any of my palettes, make sure they're looking nice and neat. Other random things that you might need are just like safety pins. Sometimes clients need those when they're going to events. I always have like nightmares as well the night before, like that I slept through my alarm or something, because the thing with like hair and makeup is like, you got to get it done before a certain time. Like, people have places to be. Like, for this wedding, the mother and the sister of the bride have to be at like the courthouse at 9:45. So they have to leave the house at 9 o'clock. So I've got to get there at 7 o'clock to make sure I can get both of them done in time. It should only take me like maybe 40 minutes just to do their applications, 40 minutes each. But like by the time you get in and you set up and you like, you know, people like to have a little bit of a chit chat as well. So by the time you do all of that stuff, you know, the 2 hours flies by really quickly. So it's really important to make sure like you're really organized the day before at least, so that like the day can run really smoothly. Just like all my products to look really neat and nice. Getting a makeup artist is like a really nice, fun treat and luxury for a lot of people. Like, it's not something they do all the time, so it's nice to make the experience feel really special for them. And that goes down to like everything. Nice, clean, beautiful brushes, nicely presented products. You know, normally at the start of the session, I'll lay out a towel and just lay out all the products I'm going to use. Oh, my Tarte palette. This is another essential. So I'll just give this a nice good wipe. I will definitely use this tomorrow. This will be my eyeshadow palette, my contouring palette most likely, my highlighting palette, and my blush palette for my clients tomorrow. It's just like, this is the perfect sort of range of tones for these clients, because I've already also seen pictures of them. And then I've got the Kosas setting powder, so I use that as well. I like to just give it a spray from a distance and let it dry. This one's not cruelty free, but I am still working through this product, and actually, to be honest, this is like the best setting powder I've ever used. It's the By Terry Hyaluronic Pressed Powder, so I give this a little spray as well to just make sure it's in good shape. I have my own little like personalized blotting papers. So I usually give these to clients at the end of the session just to, you know, touch up their face if they get shiny throughout the day. So I'll pop those in as well. I always kind of get like a bit stressed and nervous when I'm doing someone new's makeup for the first time, because I'm just like, I hope they like it. Everyone has like a different idea of like what heavy makeup and light makeup is. That's why I try and like have a lot of dialogue beforehand to make sure, yeah, we're doing something that they enjoy. Try and share mood boards and all that kind of stuff. I'll bring this little mirror too, because like clients love, hi. you know, having a little look. I really want to open my own salon space so I can just like have everything set up every day and people can come to me and I don't have to like haul my kit up and down stairs and like, yeah, that is my dream. So hopefully I will achieve that dream soon, but for now, like, this is what has got to be done. That's me done for this afternoon. Whew, that was a marathon. In terms of the hardest part of the makeup application, I feel like it's definitely the base, like the foundation, because so many things can just go wrong with that component of the makeup application. Like people's skin types really play a role. Like, you know, they could have very dry skin or very oily skin. You never get like two of the exact same skin types. So it's like the most unique sort of thing to everyone is like the different, you know, skin tones and skin types. So that component, like just getting that base right is the hardest part. Once I'm able to create that really nice even canvas, then the rest of the makeup application is really easy. I find eyes can be really difficult too, but because my own eyes are very hooded and I do have sort of difficult eyes to work with, I find that most clients' eyes are a lot easier to work with than my own eyes. So in a way, like I'm a really good guinea pig for a lot of these makeup looks because I can sort of practice on myself with like some really difficult eyes and then, yeah, adapt it for my clients. So that's one thing that I'm kind of, in a way, it's like a silver lining that my eyes are so hooded because it just gives me like something, you know, kind of difficult to practice with. And that's the same with my hair. I mean, I do hair and makeup, but I have very coarse, thick, curly hair, and so being able to like having been able to like deal with my own hair over the years has really helped me be able to tackle a lot of different hair types. I used to find eyelashes and lash application really hard, but these days I find that really easy, and I guess like it's just more practice than anything. The thing with makeup artistry is that it's very much about muscle memory as well. You'll never be the same makeup artist twice because you're always like constantly improving and refining what you've done. It's a real craft, you know, different techniques and different trends come in and out. So you're always practicing, you're always learning, you're always evolving. So that's why I really, you know, love about the craft of makeup artistry. I think it's a really exciting and interesting craft to hone. To wind down and relax, I will be finishing my 1,000-piece jigsaw puzzle, which I've really been enjoying. This one, I really like this brand that I found. The brand's called Making Magic, and they have these nice, like, cute little paintings as jigsaw puzzles, so that one's been really fun. But yeah, if you know of any good jigsaw puzzle brands, please let me know because I'm really into jigsaw puzzles lately. I've just graduated to 1,000 pieces. I did a 500 piece before this, but I find it very calming for my mind. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. It was like a big day for me, like getting everything organized, but I needed to do like a really big clean out of my kit and organization. So thank you for joining me. And if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Hope to see you again next week. Bye for now.